Hello, Internet. Makers Rock is here, and I made this album, Kiss Dynasty. Isn't it awesome? I'll show you exactly how I made this, and I'm giving it away for free. In approximately 2 weeks, I will pull a random comment from my channel. So if you want this, comment the phrase, "I want it." Put that phrase in there exactly how it appears, and you will be entered to win this. I will ship anywhere in the world. There are a whole bunch of other makers who are participating. Link is in the doodly-doo. Here's how I made it. I start off using my Atom Stack P7 laser engraver. Obviously, the speed is fast forward here. This is the color artwork I started with, flipped it to grayscale, then into bitmap, and I cleaned up a few areas, and I got it looking good. Then I put this in light burn, and the laser engraver did the rest. I think it looks really cool already. I used some acrylic paint, watered down acrylic paint. I have links to all of these items in the description. And I just did subtle color. I wanted just only subtle color on this, which I think looks really good. Here I'm even painting over the burned in areas, which adds a very nice effect. I'm super happy with it. Can't believe how thin this is. Here I take some laminated board and make a square out of it. This will be my base. This is MDF on the back, but it's plastic on the front. I'm using plywood for the frames. I like the look of plywood on frames. Some people don't like it. I think it looks nice. I'm putting a notch in there. The notch will accept the white background. Now, the frame takes a little bit of finesse because you've got to get it right. And this is the first one I'm doing. And you can see I do a lot of testing, get it closer and closer. Give me a like, subscribe, and ring the bell. Don't miss a thing on this channel. Lots of awesome going on. I finally get it to where I want it. Now I have to duplicate it. And I put this on a little pencil mark you can't see. And I give a test to make sure they're the exact same distance. That's so important. Titebond 2 is used to assemble the frame. The white part is not glued in, only the frame edges are. Then I used this clamp. I bought this 2 weeks before I started my YouTube channel, that little clamp. Here I'm doing a dado for the hanger. And then I fire up my robot, my Bob CNC machine, to make these little discs. What are these discs for? Seems a lot of overkill to make discs, but I think you're getting the idea. I punch out holes in the back, and then I glue the discs in here for extra surface area holding. And I even laser engraved flying monkeys on the discs. Why? I don't know. I felt like it. Here I'm just dry assembling everything. And again, look how thin that is. If you blow on it, it would break. It didn't break. I'm really happy about that. I'm just getting all of the items in the position I want. And then I'm ready for the glue. E6000 general purpose glue is my go-to when you have odd materials, because that white is essentially plastic. Takes about a half hour to set up so you can put stuff down and then slightly slide it to a new position if it isn't perfect. Some of the epoxies grab in a couple minutes. This gives you more time to work, which I like. I am really happy with how this turned out. Remember, I'm giving it away. Put the words "I want it" in the comments. Here's a close-up of the final piece. It looks even better in real life. Do check out the other members of Makers Rock. Links are in the doodly-doo. Thanks, Internet.